Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurated Meghalaya's first state-owned university, Captain Williamson Sangma State University in Tura, marking a historic milestone for the state's education. Accompanied by Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Thomas A. Sangma, Deputy Chief Minister Sneob Halang Dhar, Education Minister Rakam Sangma, Power Minister Abu Tahir Mandal, and Deputy Speaker Timothy D. Shira, the Chief Minister, described the launch as a transformative step for Meghalaya. The event also saw the presence of MLAs including Sanjay A. Sangma, Ian Botham K. Sangma, Subir Marak, Semching Sangma, Sengchim Marak, Jim Sangma, Limison Sangma, Marthan Sangma, the Chief Executive Member of the GHADC, Albinus Marak, Deputy Chief Executive Member Nikman Marak, Vice Chancellor of the University, Professor Vasanti Vijay Kumar, and Commissioner and Secretary of the Education Department, Vijay Kumar Mantri. Initially planned as a technical university in 2011, it was renamed in 2022 to affiliate both technical and non-technical colleges. The Rs 16.96 crore project began in 2018 and its infrastructure was completed in 2023. Several colleges including William Nagar College, Tura Christian College and the P.A. Sangma Abong Noga College formally applied for affiliation. Recognized by the University Grants Commission, the university symbolizes a commitment to advancing Meghalaya's education sector. Professor Vijay Kumar, the Vice-Chancellor of the university, highlighted the university's focus on quality education and research. The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, announced a Shillong campus to benefit Khasi and Janta Hills students. Colleges will no longer require QET for affiliated programs, easing access to higher education, announced the Meghalaya Chief Minister.
Envisions to support the need.
Youngsters and the students who will study here, you have this opportunity which nobody else will have, because the foundations that you will lay is going to ensure the future of not just the university, but the future of our state, as mentioned by our Education Minister. We are with you to support you in every way possible. I know we need huge investments. I'm not saying I can do all of it in one go. But we will work hand in hand, overcome the challenges that come ahead of us. And we will make sure that we make this university a shining example, not just in our state or in the Northeast region, but in the country as a whole. I wish you the very best. I congratulate you on taking over as the VC. I thank the colleges today who have come for affiliation, and I appeal to the rest of the colleges. In the last 4 years, we were able to exempt our colleges from CUET exam. But now that we have our own state university, this exemption will not be there anymore. Any college who is affiliated to NEHU, the students who will apply to those colleges will have to give the CUET exam. But if you are affiliated to Captain Williamson Sangma State University, you will not have to, or the students will not have to give CUET exam. This is the difference. And we are not forcing you. We can't force you. It is your choice, as said by Sanbor Shulai. It is your choice. You can choose to affiliate to NEHU, or you can choose to affiliate to Captain Williamson Sangma University, State University. The difference is only this, that with Captain Williamson Sangma State University, you will not be required to give the CUET exam during admissions. But with NEHU, you will have to give the CUET exam. And we will not get exemption anymore in the future. So I urge the colleges, please take this opportunity and affiliate with the university. We will make it very easy and very simple, and I urge the VC to ensure that we make it as smooth as possible without much problem to the colleges to start affiliating with our university.